Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. My mom comes to my room and says, "Good morning, it's time to get up." I open my eyes and stretch my arms. Then, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and comb my hair. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mom prepares breakfast for me. I eat eggs, bread, and cheese. I drink a glass of milk. Sometimes, I eat fruit, like an apple or a banana. After breakfast, I go to my room and put on my school uniform. I wear a white shirt, blue pants, and my black shoes. I check my school bag. I take my books, notebooks, pencil case, and lunch box. At 8 o'clock a.m., I leave the house. I walk to school with my friend Ollie. We talk and laugh on the way. The school is near my house. It takes only 10 minutes to walk. When we arrive, the school bell rings. We say hello to our teacher and go to our classroom. Our first lesson is English. The teacher says, "Good morning, class." We say, "Good morning, teacher." Today we learn new words. We read a short story and answer questions. I like English because I enjoy learning new words. After English, we have math. Our teacher gives us problems to solve. I use my ruler and eraser. Math is sometimes hard, but I try my best. Then we have science. We talk about animals and plants. We look at pictures and do a small experiment. After science, it's time for a break. We go to the schoolyard. I eat my sandwich and drink juice. I play with my friends. We play tag and hide and seek. It's so much fun. After the break, we go back to class for art. I draw a picture of my family. I use colored pencils. The teacher says, "Well done," and I feel happy. Before lunch, we have music. We sing songs and play small instruments. I play the tambourine. It makes a nice sound. Vocabulary practice. Excited. Feeling very happy and full of energy. I was so excited to start my first day at school. Backpack. A bag carried on the back, used to hold school supplies. I packed my backpack with pencils, notebooks, and my lunchbox. Bell. A sound that tells students it's time to start or end something at school. When the bell rang, we all rushed into the classroom. Let's practice answer these questions. 1. Why was the boy excited? 2. What do you usually carry in your backpack? 3. What happens when the bell rings at school?